Hi friends, welcome to Knowledgehub, and in the series of HTML tutorials today we are going to learn what are attributes in HTML. In our last couple of videos we already saw what are attributes for image tag and for anchor tag, the src and href attributes we have saw. So first of all, let's see what is an attribute. Let's understand the definition. So an attribute is some additional functionality to our existing tag. For example, let's take example of an image tag. In an image tag, for example, we are uploading some image, and we can give sizes to the image. We can for a text, we can just change color of the text. We can do different things with the attributes. So let's see some examples. Let's open our previous program, open with notepad, and we already saw the href attribute. So the syntax of the attribute we already saw in our last video, so let's check it out again. For example, this is an anchor tag and it is getting closed over here. So how we write an attribute is, we write the attribute, for example href, we write equals and 2 times double inverted commas. So this is the syntax of our attribute, and whatever functionality the attribute plays, based on that we give some value within this inverted commas. Like for the href, it provides a link to our anchor tag, so we provide a link or an address to the href tag. Similarly, let's check out an image tag. So let's we already have a paragraph tag. Let's check out for this. So we can just check style, and within these inverted commas, let's see color, red. So now this style attributes give an additional functionality to this paragraph, as the color of the text is red. And this example we already saw. And for an image tag, let's check the example img close and src. We already checked out this, applying the source of an image, that how we can retrieve an image in our last videos. So let's try writing something over here. Okay, we already have a content, so let's check out whether this is working or not. Saving the file, and now let's try and open it. See, whole of the paragraph is in red. These are in blue because these are already links. So in this video, I think this is enough. That now we can write attributes. We know the syntax of the attributes, and we have also learned 2-3 types of attributes, and we will keep learning few more attributes along with our other things in the next videos. Also, I would like to just tell you that you can check out the link to our blog in the description of the video, and you can see the examples and written content over there. So thank you guys for watching the video. Kindly like the video, subscribe our channel, and we will bring a new video in a very short period of time. Till then, stay safe.